Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I was searching for some curtains that would really block the sunlight from coming into my bathroom. And boy, did I find a great quality set right here. These are from ChrisDowa, and they fit perfectly in my little bathroom window. They are the 42-inch by 36, and I have them hanging from a tension rod. The fabric is soft and vibrant, but the thing I really love about them is their room darkening capabilities. I get direct sunlight in this bathroom. It's so bright and it heats up this bathroom so fast. I wanted something that would just block that sunlight so I could regulate the temperature better, and these curtains absolutely do. I'm so impressed by how pretty they are. I love this teal color. It's just exactly the pop of color I was hoping for, but they block the sunlight, which is so important to me, giving me that darkening that I really need. Whether you're trying to block out the light or whether you just want to add a splash of color, these curtains will not disappoint. And that is my point of view.